In performance-based design, we want to design our structure to reliably achieve certain target performance objectives. So these objectives will vary, but because of the flexibility of performance-based design, this is the way that the industry is moving. In performance-based design, we're considering the whole the system performance and not just the component performance. So we can look at this several different ways. The first is with a base shear force versus damage plot shown on the left. So every event has an associated level of damage to the entire system. So at rare or frequent events where we have a relatively low base shear, we'll have relatively low damage to our structure, which let's just say is a little house. So as we increase our base shear and have a less frequent event, maybe if we have a concrete house, we'll start to see maybe some shear cracks. And then as we increase to rare and very rare events, maybe we'll have near collapse but still allow people to get out, or the very, very rare, eventually we'll just have a pile of rubbish. We can also look at our performance-based design using this table on the left. So essentially, for frequent events, we want to have our structure to be fully operational. So if we're only operational, life safe, or near collapse for frequent events, then this is unacceptable performance. If we have an occasional event, generally we'll want our structure to be operational. So if it's an occasional event and we're only at the life safe stage or near collapse, then this is unacceptable. Or for a rare event, we want it to be life safe. We want people to be able to get out, but near collapse would be unacceptable. And then the very rare, we can be near collapse, but we still want people to be able to get out. So this right here is what we'll call the basic objective. So we'll also have what we'll call an essential objective. And this is for more essential buildings and infrastructure. So in this case, for essential structures or buildings deemed essential, if we're at an occasional event, then we're fully operational. And you can see for a rare event, we'd be operational, and a very rare, we're still only at life safe. And then finally, if we had a safety critical objective, which would typically be a hospital or something like that, then with a rare event, we'd be fully operational, and with a very rare, we'd still be operational. So we'll call this safety critical. So these are some different objectives that we may want to meet within our performance-based design.